So we're done with our video. We have edited, we changed the theme, the size, we added music, sound, and audio, our voice, and all kinds of things. So you can preview each individual slide as you're making them with this play button. Haker! And you also have this play button right here that previews the entire thing, but you also have this preview button up here. It does the same thing. So the one on top and the one on the bottom previews the entire thing. I strongly suggest you preview the video before you download it or you share it. Either way, make sure you like the end product. Haker! Did you hear about Adobe Spark for Education? I took the last time. Okay, excuse me? Go tell a friend! Yeah! Brought to you by the Cypress Fairbanks ISD EdTech Department. I don't like how it's being cut. So I am going to, you saw that I got the previews? I mean the credits. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to edit and I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to drag it down a little bit. Okay. So whenever you play it, because it does that effect that it moves. So I don't want it to be cut off, so I just made it smaller. See, this is why you want to preview your video before you send it out. You can share it and it's going to give you a link. You can send it to Google Drive. But if you click right here, it's going to give you, you're going to have to update the link, which I've done, and it takes some time. So if you want to make some edits, click there, and then you share that link with people. Look, you can automatically send it out. But I am going to download it. This does take a while. So with the magic of cooking, I'm going to magically fast forward. Poof! You see? Look at that. It's done. It's the magic of cooking. So this was a video that I made for the liaisons. Well, there was a demo that I used for all the technology liaisons for the school. So look, it downloaded it here. And if I look into my downloads, it's right here. It's right there, along with other things that I have in my downloads. But it's very easy to like go step at one like little segment at a time, and whenever you're ready you download it, and it does on MP4 so you can share it. That's awesome. So this is how your students can upload it into their Google Drive and then share the link with you in Schoology or wherever, however you want them to share them with you. So excited, because I'm super excited about Adobe Spark for Education. So now let's get crack-a-lacking with making some Adobe Spark videos.